Hello, good morning and welcome to this YouTube live from CNBC TV 18 newsroom, where we will get you an update on what the markets are doing at this point in time. Another day of green on the screen. We are seeing good gains on the Nifty. As we speak, the Nifty bank is up around 0.5%. We are seeing good gains in the mid-cap index as well, and that one is up around 0.4%. The Nifty overall has come off from the highs of the day. It's off around 70 points from the highs, but still is sitting with gains of around 0.4%. And across the board, we are seeing good buying coming in on the back of news flows and on the back of results as well. A lot of stock specific action is what we are seeing today, but let's talk about the macros first. Brent crude prices, they are at that $112 per barrel mark. They did see some selling in the overnight session, so that is also something which is positive for Indian markets. Rupee has also strengthened versus the dollar. Of course, it's not a big surge that we have seen, but it is not at record lows as we speak. So let's cut to the chase and talk about the stocks that are in focus today. Let me start with the Nifty pack. The gainers include the likes of Coal India. Pharma index is the big gainer today, and that index is up 1.5%. The top gainer, in fact, there are only three sectoral indices which are in the red today. Coal India is a big gainer. We have Dr. Reddy's, which reports numbers tomorrow. That is also doing well ahead of numbers. If we talk about what is not doing so well, we have Bharti Airtel, which reported numbers yesterday. It was in line with expectations, but there is some profit taking which is underway. That stock is down 1.5% as we speak. The banking names, they continue to do well, with the index up around 0.6%. Something like an Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, all of them are contributing to the gains that we are seeing. ITC, however, is flat with some negative bias ahead of the numbers that the company is expected to report today, expected post-market hours. The stock movement ahead of it will be very important to watch out for. We have oil marketing companies in focus today. IOCL, that is Indian Oil Corporation, reported numbers. It was a weak set marketing segment. That is something that is a cause of worry, because these companies had not taken price hikes despite increase in crude oil prices, and that is something that hurt marketing EBITDA for the company. The stock is lower by 2.5%. However, the refining segment, very robust, record high GRMs for the company, and that is something that slightly saved the day for IOCL. On the back of this, we are also seeing negative reaction coming in for the likes of HPCL and also BPCL, both these stocks down anywhere between 2 to 3%. MRPL and Chennai Petro, because of the strong refining performance that we saw in IOCL, these are standalone refiners, so these two stocks are doing really well in trade today, and a lot of mid caps are in focus today. Something like a Galaxy Surfactant, strong set of numbers, margins improved on a quarter-on-quarter basis. That stock is up around 6%. You have something like a NoSil. These chemical names, in fact, are seeing a lot of buying today. So Sudarshan Chemicals, you have NoSil on the back of strong set of numbers. Margins expanded for the company this time around, so that is up 8% as we speak. Indoco Remedies is the other one. I was speaking about how pharma stocks are doing well. Biocon is up 4%. Indoco Remedies up another 4%. Reported strong set of numbers yesterday during market hours, but the commentary that they gave to CNBC TV 18 also quite strong. They expect a 40% growth next year as far as revenue is concerned. So all in all, we have positive cues coming in. The mid-cap IT space is doing really well. Persistent Systems is up around 4%. So for now, markets are sustaining these gains. The gains are not as big as we saw in yesterday's trading session, but they are up around 0.4% across benchmark indices. Let's see which way things go. We'll keep updating you, and stay tuned to CNBC TV 18 for more updates. Thanks a lot for tuning into this YouTube Live.